What up, Lexus Build 2 here. I'm making this video to tell you guys and also for myself. I bought this car 2 years ago, January 31st, 2024. Since then, I've replaced spark plugs, valve cover gaskets, intake plenum gasket, both cam seals, front main seal, VVTi gear O-ring, water pump, timing belt tensioner. I did a trans fluid flush, front brake pads and rotors, rear right caliper, 4 tires, alternator, battery. I bought the ball joint for it. I have a new leather steering wheel cover that I have to stitch in. Center console, leather replacement as well as the foam. I got to do that. I got to do the tint. Mechanically, I still have to do the suspension, all 4 shocks and struts. The exhaust has a rattle somewhere, so I got to either replace the exhaust or resonator, or if it's an exhaust shield, rip that out. I got to do a differential fluid flush, another trans fluid change, coolant flush. What else? Ball joint on the front left. There's a few other bushings under there that has to be done. I need the servo motors replaced in the HVAC unit, as well as the blend door actuator. I need the AC compressor replaced, AC evac recharged, possibly a blower motor or a blower motor resistor. So I'm about $8,500 to $9,000 deep. Oh, and that CarPlay radio, I replaced it twice already. Now I need a third one because they're all junk. Has nothing to do with Lexus, obviously. The paint needs to be redone. It needs another paint job. But yeah, I spent about $9,000 on this so far, and everything else I just listed is probably going to be about another $6,000, maybe a little more, maybe a little less, depending. And then I'll be about $15,000 deep into this car that I paid $1,500 for. Again, I do not mind because I plan on keeping it for life. I also got to resurface the rims. That's if I'm keeping it OEM. I'm probably going to get aftermarket wheels. I might keep the OEM Lexus wheels aftermarket, like newer style though. I don't know yet. But again, like I'm $9,000 deep, let's just say, and I have about $6 more worth of work to do. Some of these items have popped up over the course of the past 2 years. Again, it has not broken down once. Not broken down once since October, Halloween actually, of 2024. And that's when I did the alternator battery replacement. So I'm making this video just to list it, so you guys have the list of everything that needed to be done in the 2 years of ownership. It just rolled over 160,000 miles, or it's about to roll over 169,000 miles. Again, I bought it for $1,500 with only 154,000 miles on it. I haven't put that many miles on it. In the 2 years I owned my Elantra, I went from 110,000 miles to 148,000 miles, so I did a lot in that car. But yeah, I haven't done a lot in this because, again, gas costs a lot of money. The work I do is different now than what I did back then. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. It's going to be a 2-year mechanical update on the Lexus GS 300. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have tons of videos on my channel. Tons of videos about this car. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and check them out. Yeah, peace.
Breaking news. Lion's Lexus Build 2 got motion.